Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we will see how to change default home page in Safari. Sometimes people needs to set the default home page as a Google. Uh, I'm just going to the opening the Safari browser from Mac. Just going to the file, then going to the Safari, then preferences. See here, just here we can configure the default home page. I'm just putting google.com. Then from here Safari will open always a new window. New windows open with favorites or home page. I'm just clicking on the home page. New tab open with the favorites or home page. Tab should be favorites. Then this is home page for this. I'm just closing this, saving the changes, close the browser, once again close. I'm just quitting this, then again browser. This home page is configured. Thank you so much watching this movie. Abdul Fun Zone is our channel. Please subscribe and like this channel. Thank you so much.